Today I will talk about the MiMo-V2.5 series and how we co-design the architecture, the training, and the inference. The question behind this talk is simple. How do we build a model that is smart, fast, and cheap at the same time? So before the technical details, let me start with the one belief. It's the belief behind everything we build at MiMo. Scaling parameters, everyone does that. What we care are two other axes of the intelligence that get much less attention. Axis 1 is the context length. We went from 256K to 1 million tokens, and the real goal is the unlimited context. So, how do we get there? Two things. The first is the co-design. Model, infra, and harness design together. The context-efficient architecture from the hybrid sliding window attention to hybrid sparse attention is the core reason we keep cutting the API prices of the non-context. The second is the context management in the harness. In MiMo code, which is our open source harness, we design a lossless context management and a persistent memory system. S2 is the inference speed. We went from 100 to 1000 TPS at trilinear parameter scale on common GPUs. Why does speed matters this much? We think that for multi-agent system, faster context switching means faster innovation. And also for our training, faster rollouts means faster convergence. So here is what MiMo achieved over the last 6 months under this belief. In March, we launched the MiMo-V2 series. Among them, MiMo-V2 Pro has over 1 trillion parameter and 1 million context. We first released it in stateless as Hunter Alpha. Someone think it's DeepSeek V4. And it topped the OpenRouter charts before anyone knew it was ours. In April, we open sourced the MiMo-V2.5 series. Among them, MiMo-V2.5 Pro ranked number 1 among the open source model on the Artificial Intelligence Index. May is the step to be noticed. A permanent API price cut of up to 99%. And the 7-to-1 sparsity ratio and the much smaller KV cache let us serve at the DeepSeek V4 prices without losing any money. In other words, the architecture and the infra pays for the price cut. In June, we released the ultra speed of the MiMo-V2.5 Pro. The first 1 trillion parameter model that achieves over 1000 TPS inference speed. And in the same month, we open source MiMo code. Its main feature is unlimited context management through lossless context and permanent memory design. Each step from architecture to quality, cost, speed, and ecosystem come from the co-design choice in this talk. Here are 2 more results. One on the left is the OpenRouter's leaderboard by the real token usage. MiMo-V2.5 has stayed in the top since our API price cut. This matters because we found that the developers vote for the model that is good, cheap, and fast at the same time. On the right is the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. MiMo-V2.5 Pro is the same level as Kimi K2.0 6 and the DeepSeek V4 Pro. So, how we achieved a goal with the fast and the strong non-context intelligence? We made innovations in the 3 directions. The first direction is pre-training. In MiMo-V2, we use hybrid sliding window attention with an extreme 7-to-1 sparsity, a small 128 token sliding window, and a nullable attention sync bias that make this small window work. In MiMo-V3, we go further with the hybrid sparse attention, a loose attention structure proposed by ourselves at 11-to-1 sparsity, where the 4 attention layers select the important tokens for the sparsity, the sparse layer and share a KV cache with them. The second direction is post-training to scaling our compute. We propose 2 methods. MOPD merges many domain our teachers into one student through unpoliced distillation. We proposed it first, verified it, and used it at a large scale last year, and it has become a common practice now. R3 is our early work. It makes MOE reinforcement learning stable by replacing the inference engine's routine during training. The third direction is inference. We built a sliding window aware serving pipeline and push the speed to 1,000 tokens per second with FP4 and DFlash.
更多演讲实录与文章已收录至雷锋网 ICML 2026深度专区，现已全面上线。专区不仅全面收录了重磅论文的工程化解读、专家前沿演讲，更将持续更新前方记者的第一手会议动态。扫描下方2维码或进入雷锋网 ICML 专区即可查看。